Dear viewers, in this video we see the fatty acid biosynthesis. The first committed step in fatty acid biosynthesis is the carboxylation of acetyl-CoA to form malonyl-CoA with the help of the enzyme acetyl-CoA carboxylase. The next step are the formation of acetyl ACP and malonyl ACP by the enzyme acetyl transacylase and malonyl transacylase. Further elongation cycle of fatty acid synthesis has four stages, that are condensation, reduction, dehydration and again reduction. Condensation of acetyl ACP and malonyl ACP to form acetoacetyl ACP using beta-ketoacyl ACP synthetase. Reduction of acetoacetyl ACP to form 3-hydroxybutyryl ACP with the help of enzyme beta-ketoacyl ACP reductase. Dehydration of 3-hydroxybutyryl ACP to produce crotonyl ACP by the action of enzyme beta-hydroxyacyl ACP dehydrase. Reduction of crotonyl ACP by a second NADPH molecule to give butyryl ACP. The enzyme used in this reaction is enoyl ACP reductase. The first round of elongation produces the 4-carbon butyryl ACP. The cycle now repeats with malonyl ACP, adding 2 carbon units in each cycle to lengthening acyl ACP chain. This continues until the 16-carbon palmitoyl ACP is formed and it gives palmitate. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.